Alright, getting more set up. Went for a test drive. It runs. I did a half-ass exhaust on it. Nothing special. I still got to frickin' attach the spools here, but I wound them. I just probably got to unwind them because these need to go on the other side. But that's fine for now. I'm going to clean up the deck a little bit and I'm going to spray paint the back bumper. Got a vise on there. I'm going to move my generator welder over a little bit and build 2 slots for taller bottles because I need to have a argon, CO2, and oxygen there. So other than that, well, I'm going to build, I got 2 more of these. I'm going to build the mounts for those so they just hang out. And since everyone wants too much for their gas-powered air compressor, you know, I'm just going to probably run an electric one for now and just plug it into my generator, which that's what it's there for, so it should be fine. But yeah, getting a lot more set up. Yeah, I need new lifts. The other side's good, but that side's bad. The vise is mounted. Got these little flush bolts here. I'm going to paint it black and then lubricate it. And yeah, we're getting pretty set up here. I mean, I finally got into that box. I guess I never opened it before because I have the keys for this box now. And it was completely full of oil and grease and junk. So clean that out. Now I gotta fix some stuff in there. The bed is mounted-ish. That is just I wasn't able to see it, so I did that blind. But yeah, I got a whole thing, and that's where the guy cut through so he could take the bed off. But I got that one and the other side. It's no longer touching the back of the cab. So we should be close to good. I'm going to give the interior once over, and I got the dashboard from the parts truck. The parts truck's gone, so I got the dashboard in there, or the frame, so I could fix that and actually mount the radio and everything correctly. And now I just got to do the lights because it keeps popping a fuse. I must have did something wrong. And you know, get some spray paint and touch everything up. I gotta do one there. I gotta connect one fitting to the gas tank. The main one is hooked up, but I remember the vent valve, or the vent, that's not hooked up. And yeah, then it's just cleaning and the wheel studs, and it'll be ready to go to work. Cummins swap success. Because she runs perfectly now. Still looks ugly, but I got some new lights in it to make it a little better. And I'll just do a little polishing. I still got to hook up the windshield wipers. I forgot to do that. So I'll do that, and that's it. That's my service truck.